Hey folks, Bruce here from 4LowLife again. I want to do another quick little review. This time I'm looking at the Eastwood 5-pound vibratory tumbler for cleaning your hardware. I've used this a lot. The truck that I have behind me, both trucks behind me over there, I've got a lot of hardware, buckets and buckets of hardware, and I just couldn't imagine standing at a wire wheel for 3 minutes per nut or bolt and cleaning it off. So I bought the Eastwood 5-pound vibratory tumbler, this one here. Varies between 60 and 80 bucks depending on if it's on sale or not, and in my opinion, totally worth the money. I've seen a lot of reviews where people didn't seem to get the results that they were expecting. I think they're just not letting it run for long enough, or they're using the wrong media. So what I do, and I start out with extremely rusty hardware like this, and I've done bucket and bucket loads. And the first thing I do is I put it in with degreaser. You can use like a simple green. I use Super Clean, comes in a purple jug. After you've run through that for a couple of hours, however long it takes to degrease it, with the green triangle media, this stuff here. So I'm running it wet with the green triangle media, a couple of hours, gets all the grease off of it. I do several loads of that. So I went through probably 6 or 7 loads just running that, so I don't have to change the liquid. It seems to still degrease just as well. And once I've run all the degreasing through, I swap to a derusting. Yeah, you could just soak your nuts and bolts in derusting liquid, but the triangle media seems to get into all the grooves and bits and pieces, and I was doing things like springs and nuts, bolts, washers, everything. And once I come out of that, I let everything dry it off, soak it in water, then dry it off. And then I went to the corncob media, and this is how it comes out. These started out as completely rusted. Wouldn't want to use it hardware, and comes out pretty good. I would say the amount of money that I spent on the tumbler definitely paid for the labor that I would have spent and or the hardware I would have had to purchase. So if you're looking to clean a large quantity of nuts and bolts, any kind of small hardware, definitely worth the money. Get some chemical cleaner, get some deruster, and get the green media and the corncob media. All I've used is what's come with it. I will run the corncob media for about 2 to 3 days at the end, and that's where you get the final cleaning. Once you've got it that clean, the next thing I'm going to try, haven't got it yet, is a black oxide coating from Caswell. That'll be a totally different video, and hopefully that has results that will let me put my truck back together with brand new looking nuts and bolts. See you next time.